Okay, this is typically an easy addition to the practice, and when they retrieve the object at the end, well, they get immediate feedback on the impact this is having on their short-term memory. Today, we're going to increase the cognitive load by adding a third object and asking the participants to jot down the location of each object in their journal. This flow right into the ball toss exercise level 5. Review the additional phrases. Remind participants that the game should continue to flow as verse changes are signaled via side coaching. If you're practicing an improvisation that's already been established, begin with a discussion of what was learned in the last practice. Incorporate those lessons into this new practice. Now, incorporating doesn't mean simply repeating what was done last time. If objectives were achieved or characters offered something interesting into the improvisation, keep it. If not, be flexible and try something else. As the improvisation ends, ask participants to shift their focus into the moving meditation to close out today's practice. At the end of the practice, ask participants to notice if they recall the object's locations easily. If not, ask them first to recall writing down the locations in their journal. Give it a few minutes. If the location doesn't come to mind, you've got it written down in your journal. Sometimes, shifting your concentration from where the object is to the act of writing down the location will jog your memory. Remember, easily shifting from one mental process to another is the definition of mental flexibility.